Hi my dear student, today we will discuss chapter 5 two-dimensional analytical geometry. Exercise 5.2 question number 7. Show that the absolute value of difference of the focal distance of any point P on the hyperbola is the length of its transverse axis. See, you want to show that absolute value of the difference of the focal distance of any point P on the hyperbola is length of its transverse axis. Now, consider the equation of the hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Let us draw the diagram. X-axis, y-axis, origin. This is an hyperbola. Foci a, 0. Vertex a, 0. Another vertex minus a, 0. Another foci f2 minus a, 0. This is directrix x equal to a by e. This is another directrix x equal to minus a by e. See, I am considering the equation of the hyperbola, which is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. In this case, transverse axis along x-axis, center, origin, foci plus or minus a, 0 plus a, 0 minus a, 0 and vertex v1 and v2 plus or minus a, 0 and directrix x equal to plus or minus a by e. I will take a point P, which is any point on the hyperbola. Let P be any point on the hyperbola. Let P be any point on the hyperbola. We have F1P by PM equal to E. F1 is the focus, P is any point, M, where M is a point on the directrix, which is a perpendicular distance. I will take P here. PM is a perpendicular distance from the point P. PM is a perpendicular distance from P. Now we have from focus to any point P divided by the perpendicular distance PM, which gives E, eccentricity. So F1 P E into PM. Let P be any point on the hyperbola. Therefore P is x, y. E. What is PM? The horizontal distance from y-axis to P is x. Subtract this gap. This is nothing but a by e. X minus a by e. When you multiply ex minus ee cancel a. I will explain. F1, one of the focus. We have F1e divided by PM equal to E. From focus to any point on the hyperbola divided by the perpendicular distance from the same point P to the directrix gives eccentricity. This is what we have actually. The relation between the any point on the hyperbola, focus, the perpendicular distance to the directrix and eccentricity. Cross multiply E into PM. What is PM? This distance. The whole distance from y-axis to P is x minus this gap. The gap is nothing but a by e. X minus a by e. When you multiply e inside ex, e get cancelled minus a. Similarly, from this focus, okay, that is F2P by P M dash, which is E. This is another directrix. From the same point P, draw a perpendicular line to the another directrix, which is M dash. See, F2 is another focus, the same point P, and from the same point P, draw a line perpendicular to another directrix x equal to minus a by e at M dash. Therefore, what we have? F2 P divided by PM dash equal to E. Same definition. with respect to the focus F2. So F2 into P equal to E into PM dash. E, what is PM dash? This distance. PM dash. From y-axis to this distance is x. And this distance is A by E plus A by E. When you multiply E inside, E into x, EX. E cancel, A. I'll repeat. F1 and F2 are the two focus. P is any point on the hyperbola. PM is a perpendicular line from P to the directrix x equal to A by E. PM dash. It's another perpendicular line from the point P to the another directrix x equal to minus A by E. The relation is F1P divided by PM equal to E. That is the distance between focus and any point divided by the perpendicular distance P to the directrix, which gives E. In this case, F1P by PM equal to E. When you cross multiply E into PM. What is PM? The whole distance x, this is any point x comma y, horizontal whole distance x minus this gap A by E. It gives Ex minus A when you take E inside. From this focus, F2P divided by PM dash equal to E, F2P equal to E into PM dash. What is PM dash? This distance is x, horizontal distance x, and this gap is A by E. So x plus A by E. When you take E inside, Ex plus E get cancelled. Now, absolute value of difference of focal distance. See, F2P is more than F1P. Therefore, I'll take F2P minus F1P. Okay, I'll use modulus for absolute value. Obviously, when you see practically, F2P is more than F1P. What is F2P? Which is Ex plus A minus Ex minus A. It gives Ex plus A minus Ex plus A. It gives 2A, which is equal to 2A. Since A is positive, this is equal to length of transverse axis. Very simple. Find out F1P and F2P. Find the difference. It gives 2A in this case, which is length of transverse axis. We have a relation from focus to any point P divided by the perpendicular distance PM, which gives E. First relation with respect to F1, which gives F1P, which is Ex minus A. The next one is F2P with respect to, it gives Ex plus A. Find the difference. It gives 2A, which is nothing but length of transverse axis. Got it?